This video explains how to buy shares of Global Mofy AI Ltd, ticker GMM, listed on NASDAQ. Global Mofy AI Ltd develops artificial intelligence technology and related products. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an ID document, and then add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GMM to find the listing. Confirm you select the NASDAQ entry to ensure you have located the correct Global Mofy AI Ltd stock. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct listing. Make sure company details and the NASDAQ ticker match before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, you can place a market or limit order that will execute when trading resumes, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After the trade completes, the position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is provided in the description if you want to follow this example.